In this video, I will show you how to find Calendly Embed code. First, go to Calendly website and click Login. Now, just go ahead and log into your account. You can use your Google one. Once inside Calendly, under Event Types, you will see the list of your meetings. Now to access Embed code, click on the Share button. Then, go to Add to Websites. Here, you can choose among these options from Inline Embed, Popup Widget, and Popup Text. Now what you have to do is click on one, then click Continue. Here, you can now access your embed code. Just copy the code if you need it. You can also go back and choose Popup Widget and continue. And in here, you can also access its embed code. And that's it. That's how you access embed code of Calendly. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.